Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about phylum Chordata. Chordata were evolved during Ordovician period and the Paleozoic era. The term chordata is originated by two words of Greek language, chorda and eta. Meaning of chorda is the thick string and meaning of eta is to have. And overall meaning of chordata is animal having a notochord. Notochord supports the body of these organisms. So chordates are the animals in which notochord is present in any stage of their lifespan. Animals which do not have notochord are called as non-chordates. Although the name chordata is attributed to William Bateson in 1885, phylum Chordata belongs to the kingdom Animalae, includes all the vertebrates, that is animals with a backbone, and several invertebrates, that is animals without backbone. According to a taxonomist, 90 to 95% animals are non-chordate of total animals present on the earth, and the rest of the 3 to 5% animals are chordates. In chordates, species of maximum animals live in species group, Piscus group, and minimum live animals in Amphibia group. Now let us discuss the fundamental characteristics of chordata. In all chordata animals, there are some specific characters at any stage of their lifespan. They are called fundamental characteristics. These are notochord, dorsal tubular, nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, and tail. Now let us see the presence of notochord, chorda or dorsal slits, etc. In the embryonic stage of chordata animals, there is a solid thick stick-like structure just below the central nerve system and above the alimentary canal. It is present and this is called notochord. Notochord is extended from anterior end to the posterior end of the body at the dorsal surface. Notochord is mesodermal in origin. It forms a primary endoskeleton which gives support to the central nerve system and muscles. In Protochordata group, notochord is present throughout the lifespan, but in vertebrata, it is modified into backbone or vertebral column in adults. Notochord is replaced by vertebral column around the spinal cord and cranium around the brain. Now let us discuss the presence of dorsal tubular nerve cord. In chordata animals, the nerve system is situated at the dorsal surface of the body. In these animals, a hollow tubular structure is present which is situated just beneath the body wall and just above the notochord. The nerve cord is ectodermal in origin, that is, it is formed by ectodermal of embryo. In non-chordates, the nerve cord is solid and double and it is situated at mid-ventral side of the body, example in annelids and arthropods. Ganglia are absent in the nerve cords of chordates. Now let us discuss about the presence of pharyngeal gills and slits. In each chordate animal, there are a paired lateral gill slits in the walls of pharynx for respiration at any stage of its lifespan is present. In higher chordate animals, pharyngeal gill slits are found only in embryonic stages. These are absent in adults. In aquatic chordates like fishes and lower chordates, pharyngeal gill slits are present throughout their lifespan for respiration. In terrestrial chordates, gill slits are absent in adults because the main respiratory organ is lung for the adults. Above these are the three fundamental characters are necessary found in primary embryonic stages of chordates, but in adult stage they are either absent nor modified into other structures. Presence of tail. It is the most anal part of the body. The tail is reduced or absent in many adult chordates. It is considered as the fourth character of adult chordates. Phylum Chordata is divided into two groups based on the cranium, vertebral column and paired appendages. These are Protochordata and Euchordata. If we look at the outline classification of phylum Chordata, so the Protochordata again it divided into three subphylum, that is Hemichordata, Euchordata and Cephalochordata. Again Semichordata divided into classes Enteropinosta and Petridobranchiae, and comes under Euchordata divided into Acidaceae, Thalaceae, Larvaceae. Come to Cephalochordata derived into Leptochordae. Now next come to the group Euchordaceae and subphylum which is called Vertebrata, and again it is divided into Ajanthia and Ganthostoma. This Ganthostoma again is divided into two superclasses, one is Pisces and Tetrapoda. Again this undergoes for several subclasses. Ostracodermy, Cyclostomata, Placodermy, Conodrichitis and Osteochitosis, and again this comes under Tetrapoda divided into amphibia, reptiles, aves and mammals. Now let us discuss the general characteristics of chordates. Chordates are aquatic, terrestrial and aerial free-living organisms. The body is bilaterally symmetrical. The body wall is triploblastic, in which all the three germinal layers, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm are present. Metamerism is found in the arrangement of muscles in embryonic stages, and in adults, metamerism is found in arrangement of vertebrae and ribs. True column is found in them, which is enterocolous type. Deuterostomes in animals. Alimentary canal and digestive system is complete. Digestive glands and digestion is extracellular. In these animals, the heart is situated at the ventral side of the body, just beneath the alimentary canal, and blood flows from anterior to posterior side in dorsal blood vessel. In chordates, animals are blood vascular system is closed type. Respiratory pigment is hemoglobin that is present in RBC. Hepatic portal system is found in all chordates, but renal portal system is also present in chordates except birds and mammals. Normally, exoskeleton is present, which is highly developed into most vertebrates. In chordates, endoskeleton is found, which is made up of cartilage and bones. In embryonic stage of chordates, a muscular tail is found that is known as post-anal tail. In some chordates, the tail is reduced, example man and apes. Proto, meso and metanephric kidneys are found in the form of excretory organs. Sexual reproduction is dominant. And these have less regenerative ability. Males and females are separate. Metamorphosis or development of embryo is direct, that is without any larval stage. Chordates may be cold-blooded, polychilotherms and examples and amphibians and reptiles. Fishes and are warm-blooded animals like homothermoceous, like examples birds and mammals. Phylum Chordata is divided into two groups based on the cranium, vertebral column and paired appendages. These are Protochordata, Euchordata, Now let us discuss about Prochordata. All the members of this group are small, found in seawater, that is, all are marine. Respiration is takes by gills. Pharyngeal gill slits are found in embryonic and adult stage. Notochord persists throughout life, but skull, brain, and vertebral column is absent in these organisms. Notochord is not replaced by the vertebral column. Exoskeleton, head, and a pair of appendages are also absent in Prochordata. These are unisexual and bisexual animals. Reproduction is asexual as well as sexual. The larvae stage is present, and again this Prochordata divides into Hemichordata, Urochordata, and Cephalochordata.